You ever wonder why some people just get what they want? They're not smarter than you, not richer, not more talented, but somehow they're always 3 moves ahead. They see doors you never knew existed. They play games you didn't even know were being played. And by the time you realize what happened, they're already sitting at the top, watching you climb the mountain they built. So what do they know that you don't? Here's the truth. The difference between the weak and the powerful isn't strength, money, or luck. It's knowledge. Knowledge of how power actually works. See, most people still believe success comes from being good, kind, or hardworking. They wait for recognition. They wait for fairness. They wait for the world to reward them. And that's why they never win. Because while they're out here playing fair, someone else is rewriting the rules. Power doesn't reward the pure, it rewards the aware. 500 years ago, Niccolò Machiavelli cracked the code. He studied kings and killers, saints and tyrants, and he discovered something terrifying. Power is not random. It follows patterns. It obeys laws. And those who understand those laws control everyone else who doesn't. Today, you'll learn the 8 darkest laws geniuses use to outsmart everyone. Not motivational quotes, not pretty words. Cold, calculated strategy. Once you see them, you can never unsee them. Once you know them, everything changes. Law 1. Create value through absence. Constant presence kills respect. The more available you are, the less valuable you become. When you're always around, people stop noticing you. They stop appreciating you. You become background noise, ordinary, forgettable, but disappear, and everything shifts. People start wondering. They start remembering. They start missing you. Scarcity is power. Your absence forces others to realize your worth. So pull back. Stop showing up everywhere. Protect your presence like treasure. Make it count when you appear and when you vanish. Let silence speak for you. My absence creates value. Law 2. Make others come to you. The one who chases always loses. Chasing is weakness. It's surrender. It tells the world, I need. And those who need serve those who don't. The powerful never chase. They attract. They build value so undeniable that people move toward them. They set the stage, create the bait, and let others walk into their gravity. That's control. That's leverage. Stop running after people. Build something they can't ignore and let them come. They come to me. Law 3. Court attention at all costs. If they don't see you, you don't exist. Invisibility kills faster than failure. You could be a genius, a master, a visionary, but if no one sees you, none of it matters. Attention is oxygen. Without it, your power dies. But here's the secret. Attention isn't about noise. It's about impact. Make moves that can't be ignored. Do things that force people to talk. Be unforgettable or be forgotten. I demand attention. Law 4. Appeal to self-interest, never to mercy. No one helps out of kindness. They help out of benefit. That's the real nature of people. If you want something, don't beg, don't plead, don't appeal to their hearts, appeal to their desires. Show them how helping you helps them. Make them feel smart for saying yes. When you give others a reason that feeds their self-interest, they'll move mountains for you, and they'll thank you for the chance. I offer value first. Law 5. Keep others dependent on you. The question that defines power is this: who needs you more than you need them? If the answer is nobody, you're replaceable. And the replaceable have no leverage. Geniuses make themselves indispensable. They become the key no one else can copy, the skill no one else can replicate, the person no one can move without. Dependence is not weakness, it's control. When others can't move without you, they protect you. When they need you, you command. I am essential. Law 6. Win through actions, never through argument. Words are for the weak. Power doesn't explain itself, it proves itself. Every time you argue, you reveal uncertainty. Every time you try to convince, you expose weakness. The strong don't debate. They demonstrate. They don't say, I can. They show you they already did. Results silence everything. While others talk, you act. And when the dust settles, they'll believe because you left them no choice. My actions speak louder. Law 7. Always say less than necessary. Every word is a window into your mind. And the more they see, the easier you are to predict. The powerful speak little. They listen, they observe, they calculate. Their silence makes others nervous. Their restraint makes others guess. Mystery commands respect. When you speak, let every word carry weight. Let silence do the rest. Silence is power. Law 8. Conceal your intentions. The moment they know what you're planning, you've already lost. Predictability kills strategy. The masters of power never reveal their real moves. They operate in shadows. They mislead, misdirect, and strike when no one's ready. Not because they're evil, because they're aware. When you hide your intentions, you move freely. You remove resistance. You strike first, and by the time they realize what's happening, you've already won. My mind stays hidden. Now you know the 8 laws. But knowledge alone changes nothing. Power only bends to action. So start today. Apply one law, then another. Let results replace noise. Let silence replace begging. Let strategy replace emotion. The world belongs to those who understand it, and now you do. So step forward. Play the game that everyone else is too blind to see. Because from this moment on, you don't just live in the world. You move it. I play by my own rules.